Well, for the topic of this essay, we had to talk about if we knew someone that was addicted to any kind of technology. And in fact, I know a person, it's my cousin. He's very young, he's actually 14 years old, and he is a really good student. But even though he's really good at school, I think he is addicted to playing video games. He spends a really large amount of time on the computer. He takes all the time that he has free in doing this, and I think that is good in a way to have some free time and to get distressed from all the things that you have every day in the week. But that is only something that you should do sometimes, not always. And that's something that he does basically every day. So, well, I hope that this is only a stage and that he passes from this and learns to enjoy doing other activities that are a lot more productive. Well, that's my opinion. Thank you very much.